You're not my girlfriend. I just took a flick with your girlfriend.
What's good, YouTube? So welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my French braids. So if you want to achieve this look, just keep on watching. So first thing you want to do is split your hair down the middle. Just take a comb and split your hair down the middle. So what I'm doing now, I'm just moisturizing my hair. I'm just adding some water to it just to dampen it up. And I'm going to add the Can't 2 Conditioning Creaming Hair Lotion just to moisturize my hair and help detangle it because my hair gets really tangled. And this helps when I'm braiding my hair. You can do this on dry, detangled hair. I just like to do this with my hair a little damp and moisturized because it just helps when I'm braiding my hair. Now I'm going to add some oil to my hair. This is the Argan of Morocco Healing Dry Oil. You can use whatever oil you want. Tea tree oil, coconut oil. And now I'm just using a wide tooth comb to detangle my hair. And now I'm taking a detangle brush and I'm going to detangle my hair once again because my hair gets really tangled and this just works magic. I do a wide tooth comb first because these bristles are kind of small. They don't really get to my root like I want it to, so that's why I always start with a wide tooth comb, and it's less shedding as well. Now I'm going to take some Eco Styling Gel and I'm going to put this all over my edges and my hairline where I made my part, just so my hair can be as flat as possible. Now I'm just going to take out some of my baby hairs and my sideburns so I can leave a little curl out so I can style it a little bit. And of course you want to take a hard bristle paddle brush just to smooth out your edges as much as possible. Now you're going to take your comb and you're going to section off a little part in the front of your hair, just a little triangle. And this is where you're going to start off your braid. You want to make sure you detangle that out. And you're going to split this in 3 different sections. You're going to have a left side, a middle side, and a right side. So 3 different sections. Just follow my fingers. Okay guys, so this is the part where you really want to pay attention. So follow my fingers. You want to take your left side and you see my middle finger holding on to the middle and then my right hand holding on to the rest. You just want to swing that over and exchange it for the middle. And you want to keep doing that. Okay, let me show you guys one more time. So you want to take the left side and exchange it for the middle. And then you want to take your right side and exchange it for the middle. And yeah, this gets tiring. My hands are starting to hurt. And you want to keep switching them off. Keep trading places as if you were regularly braid. And now that last part, which is the left side, you want to exchange it. You want to add more hair to it every time. So the left side is always going to add more hair. So just remember, the left side, the piece of hair that's closest to the rest of your hair, you just want to keep adding hair to it and try to tug it a little bit. That way it gets closer to your scalp. That's why it stays closer to your head. And you just want to keep doing this all the way down. And once you run out of hair, you're just going to braid it as a regular braid. And now I'm just going to secure my ends with a rubber band and use some mousse and flatten out the rest of my hair because I do have some flyaways. I did not use enough gel, but you can always go back and correct this. Now I'm going to lay down my baby hairs with some olive oil edge control. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. Don't forget to subscribe again. And this is the next day. I wrapped my hair. And, oh, let me put my braids down. Looking like E.T. or something. Now, I'm going to just touch up my edges with some Eco Style gel. Or you can use the edge control again. Yeah, I'm going to use the edge control because the Eco didn't really have my baby hair sticking like I want it to stick down. And I'm probably just gonna wear this out for a day or two. This is a nice protective hairstyle. I think it's cute. If you can do it neater or straighter, go right ahead. This is awesome. I love this hairstyle.
You're not my girlfriend.
Squad made the beat.
I just took a flick with your girlfriend.